she is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another juice recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some carrot orange juice with ginger and lime. Guys, it's gonna be super refreshing. I know you guys is gonna enjoy this one also. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share it, guys. Share. I know you know someone that will also enjoy this recipe, so please share it, okay? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So here I have 5 carrot and 4 orange, 1 lime, and this is the amount of ginger that I'll be using. You can use as much as you like, okay? So guys, you want to make sure that you give your carrot a good wash. Wash off, you know, any impurities. Here with your oranges as well. Ginger. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel my orange. You can also use the orange peel and make tea with it, or even juice. Got that. Peel it all the way around. That's it. Try and remove some of the white bit. Gonna just put it in my bowl. So now I'm gonna cut my carrot. Just wanna cut the top part. And guys, I'm not gonna peel off the carrot because you don't have to. Once you give it a good wash, okay? Just gonna cut them in small pieces. So now that all my carrot is all cut, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it to my bowl. Just like so. So my ginger, I'm just gonna cut it small because I know I'm gonna blend it up. Just like so.
Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious.
Just gonna put it in my bowl.
Jolly cooking straight from the kitchen. Jolly cooking, delicious cooking.
So guys, with the orange, what you can do, you can just, you know, cut it up, you know, a bit smaller. You don't have to, but you can, like so. Just put it in the bowl like so. I'm gonna add at least 1.5 cup of my water. Yes. So now guys, I'm gonna blend it up. Let's put the lid on. I'm just gonna add my remaining carrot and orange. So guys, it is all blend. You want to make sure that the ginger and all the carrot is all blend. Okay, perfect. So now guys, I'm gonna strain it. So here I have a strainer. You can also use a cloth, whatever you have. Okay, let's pour it in. I'm gonna strain it guys at least 3 times, okay, because I want it to be nice and smooth. You can use a spoon or whatever you have and just, you know, press it down so the juice come out, you know, easy. It smells so good. Guys, I just want to show you all something because I'm gonna add this to my juice also. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna boil my orange peel. I give it a wash and I, you know, gonna boil it for at least 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And I'm also gonna add, you know, some ginger with it because I'm gonna add it to my juice. You can also make tea with it. Yeah, let's put some water from the kettle. Gonna put at least 3 cups of water. Yeah, that's it. And I'm also gonna add some honey. At least 3 tablespoons of my honey. 3 to 4 tablespoons. Just gonna give it a stir. I'm just gonna half cover it up so it doesn't boil over. So guys, I'm just gonna check back on it. It's been boiling for over 15 minutes. I wish you guys could smell my kitchen. See that? Say, look, nice and yellow. That's exactly what you want. You can also allow it to boil for another 5 minutes, okay? Boil it for another 5 minutes, guys, on a high heat, okay? I'm not gonna cover it. So guys, it is all finished. So now I'm just gonna turn my stove off. What you can do, you just strain it off, okay? Or you can just allow it to cool. So back to this. So guys, this is gonna be my 3rd time straining it. The second one I strained it off camera. See that? Nice and smooth. That's exactly what you want. Perfect. So I just cut my lime and I'm also gonna strain my lime. Give it a stir. This looks so good. I cannot wait to add the ice. So guys, now I'm gonna add my orange peel drink, and this is like a form of a syrup also. So I strain it, so I'm just gonna add it, okay? Look at that. Make sure you allow it to cool off. This look amazing. And you can always taste it to your liking. So guys, this is my favorite part. Now I'm gonna add my ice. Add as much as you like. I love a lot of ice. Then I'm just gonna pour it in. It looks so refreshing. This drink right here, guys, it is a must try. Look at the color, perfect. And there you have it, guys. This is how I make my orange carrot juice. I'm telling you, I cannot wait for you guys to try it. It is super refreshing. Your families, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy it. Please give this video a thumbs up and share, guys. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Super refreshing. You want some? Taste some, guys. If you make it, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? Bye, guys.
Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.